Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to fix lag in Bluestacks. So now, to fix lag in Bluestacks, all we need to do is wait. I'm gonna check if I'm recording or not. Oh, there we go, I'm recording. Okay. So, what they call this? To fix the lag in Bluestacks, all we need to do is just first of all, you need to check your PC or laptop if it's on a cable or just an ordinary. You're just connected to the Wi-Fi. So cable wire, it's much more. It will help you to get much more speed FPS or yeah, a little bit. It will not make your game lag. So I'll give you an example of cable wire. It's like this. So those are cable wires. You connect them to your PC. There you go, or laptop. Right of those. So you need one of those. And next thing is to fix your lag on your BlueStack. So open up your BlueStack. Once you're here at your BlueStack, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then click on settings. Then after that, look at your performance. So here at your performance, you will see allocated. So as you can see, we can go much higher to 4. And also this, I think it can only go to 4 as well. Even if you have a 8 gigabyte or 16 gigabyte memory, BlueStacks will only allow you to go on 4. And here as the performance right now, I'm on high performance. And here's the frame rate that I can adjust. So there you go. And we can also click on this one, enable high frame rate. So what this does, it not only allows us to go only 60, but it allows us to go up to 240 frame rate per second. But if you're using a PC like me and you have a like a nice PC, not like a standard or casual PC like me, I suggest putting it on about 120 FPS, and so it wouldn't lag. But to fix lag on here is you all you can do is if you have um a little bit lower PC, you can go to 30 FPS. I think that's good enough. And our enhance is a little bit of a, let's say, standard. Then yeah, that's good. Then click on save change um after you've edited this performance. There you go, save change. We need to restart it, but now we're not gonna restart it for now. So yeah, discard change. So now next thing we can do is use our task manager. So task manager, type in task manager. Once after using task manager, click on the BlueStacks right here. Right click on the BlueStacks. After clicking on right click on the BlueStacks, click on, there you go, resource values. Then find then so here after opening your task manager, all we need to do is click right here. And if you click on right click right now, as you can see, this will show. So all we need to do is double click on it. Then as you can see, it will now allow us to see this. Then right click on it, then go to details. After going to details, as you can see, hdplayer.exe, right click on that, then click on set priority and choose high. So what this just change the priority. Certain process could cause system stability, but we want that to, so we can have on a high, right? So we just put it on high. So there we go. After that, the other way you can do it is by going to your graphics. So let's go to our graphics. Graphics that will be on your PC in your settings. Click on that. And after opening that, you'll be located right here. Right here, you will see your BlueStacks. Click on that, and then you will see options right here. Then click on options. And here, you can change it to lower or let Windows decide. So I suggest you can do is put it on. If you're trying to fix the lag, put on let Windows decide right there. Mine is on high, so yeah. So if you want to fix it, just put the task manager on high performance. And a little bit of recap: if you want to fix the lag, get yourself a cable wire for the internet speed. Graphics preference, let your Windows decide. And after that, task manager, Then set this to a priority dish hdplayer.exe. And after that, click on the three horizontal lines, then settings. Then choose a normal. There you go. There you go. 30 and enhanced standard. Core is pretty medium is enough. Don't make it a little high or a little low. But if you're running in a little bit lower PC, then just go low. So there. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. So yeah, there you go, guys. And we have the graphics here if you want to change it as well. But yeah, but overall, this all you need to do the performance right here. And yeah, hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comment section below. We're happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.